These are 5 more things that I teach new ICU nurses. One is check all of your drips at the beginning of your shift as well as continuously throughout your shift to make sure that everything's programmed correctly, labeled correctly, and nothing is going to run dry. The volume programmed into the pump should be less than the volume that's actually in the bag. That way you have enough time to grab another one from the Pyxis or order one from pharmacy. The last thing you want is for one of your pressers to run dry because it's not going to be a good day. Number 2 is label everything. I don't care if it's your central line dressing or your piston syringe. I label everything, date, time, and initials. Third thing is make sure you have suction set up and working, as well as a bag valve mask at the bedside at all times. I don't care if you think your patient won't need it. When you need it, you're going to need it and you're going to wish it was set up. The fourth thing is always zero your arterial line at the beginning of your shift. You want to make sure your arterial line is accurate, and if you are titrating things based off an arterial line, you definitely want it to be accurate. And the fifth thing is check all your alarms and parameters at the beginning of your shift. Make sure everything is set appropriately for your patient and all your alarms are turned on. The alarms on your monitors are your extra set of eyes and ears when you are in your other room and you want it to alarm when it needs to alarm. Let me know what else you guys can add to this list and if you want 5 more things that I teach all new ICU nurses.